Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, just click on that subscribe button now. It will actually take you seconds to do that. And also, if you enjoyed this video, you can give this video a like. Just click on that thumbs up icon, and also you can click on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. As you do that, God bless you. Today I would like to show you how you can use Sollet wallet extension on your phone browser, that is on your mobile phone, whether you are using Android phone or iOS, that is iPhone. So all you need to do is to download an app that I'm going to show you now. You can get it on Google Play Store, or you can get it on App Store. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to head straight to Play Store now, Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you the app. The name of the app is Yandex browser. So we choose this one, Yandex browser with Protect. So that's the one that you're going to download. You can see I've downloaded it, so that's why I'm having open button. So I'm going to so after you have downloaded it and you have installed it on your mobile phone, so just open it and then you have this page. So when you have this page like this, in this search box, just type in Sollet wallet extension. So and click on search. So when you do that, you're going to have this page. So you choose this first one, that is Sollet Chrome Web Store. So that's the one I'm going to click on. I'll open it. Okay, so in order to enjoy the navigation on the website very well, so I'm going to change this view to desktop view. I'm going to change the desktop, so I'll click on this three dotted line, then I'll change it to desktop version. So this is the page I'm going to have. You can see now, so that it will actually look nice and you will be able to navigate easily on the website. So after when you have this page now, so let me zoom in. So you're going to click on this Add to Chrome button here. So then you will have a pop-up message like this. So it asks you to add it as an extension. So you click Add Extension. So when you do that, it will check, then it will add it. So now it has been added, because immediately the extension is added to your browser, the add to Chrome button will change to this remove from Chrome button. So that means the extension has been added to your browser. Now we need to access the extension, that is the Sollet wallet extension that we just added now. So I'm going to click on three dotted line at the down part here. So when you do that, you're going to scroll down, then you click on these extensions here. So when you click on this extension, you can see the list of those extensions that I have. So you can see all these ones: Phantom, MetaMask, KP, all these ones, they has name. Now this last one, this open the pop-up, that's the Sollet wallet extension that I just added now. It's because of the network, that's why it has not named it as Sollet extension. But if your own network is good, you will see it as Sollet extension. So this is the extension that we just added. So I'm going to click on the open the pop-up. So when I do that, you can see this is the Sollet wallet. Now if you want to create a new wallet, you just have to write down the seed words that the Sollet wallet gives to you. Then you click on I have saved these words in a safe place. Then you can download the mnemonic file on your phone. So when you do that, you click on this continue, and then you create a new wallet. But here I want to actually import my own wallet into this Sollet extension. So if you want to import your wallet, then you have to get your seed phrase, that is the seed phrase from your previous wallet. Then you click on this restore existing wallet. So when you do that, it will ask you to enter your seed words and your password. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so immediately you enter your seed phrase and the password and you click on next. So this is the page that you're going to have. You can see, so I'll click on this restore, and then it will open my wallet. So you can see this is my wallet now. I just imported my wallet. So so that's just a simple way to do it. And maybe you close this browser and you want to access it back. Let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to close it now. So you can see that I've closed it. So if you want to access the Sollet wallet extension back, you just have to click on this three dotted line here, and then you scroll down and then you pick these extensions, and then you choose the one that you want to choose, which is Sollet wallet extension. So immediately you do that, it will ask you to enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password now. So I've inputted my password. So you can either click on this keep wallet unlocked, or you can leave it blank. Actually, if you click on keep wallet unlocked, that means anytime you want to open it again, you don't have to input any password. But I think this one is safer. If anytime you want to access it, you are inputting password, that one is safer than for you to leave it without a password. So I'm going to click on this unlock. You can see. So that's just a simple way to add Solid wallet extension to your on your browser, and so that you can use it as if you are using it on a PC. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. You can also click on that bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you again later. Bye.